Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make Cajun rice, aka dirty rice. So let's get right to the recipe. So I'm going to start by seasoning my shrimp and chicken. I'm using 15 shrimps and 2 chicken thighs. You may use chicken breast. I like chicken thigh because it has more flavor, more fat, more flavor. Lightly seasoning my shrimp and chicken. So I am using Old Bay and Creole seafood Creole seasoning. I will list the measurements in the description box below. I am also using garlic powder, onion powder, all-purpose chicken seasoning to season the meat and the seafood, and of course some bitter orange juice. If you don't have that, lemon juice or lime juice is perfectly fine. We just want that acidity. On medium high heat, you may use a pot or a different pan or a skillet, but I am using this pot because I want my rice to make some gratin. Okay, so you're gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, olive oil I'm using, and then you're gonna saute the chicken until it's cooked. My chicken are cut in very small pieces, so it took less than 5 minutes to be cooked. So after my chicken is fully cooked, I'm gonna go ahead and remove it from the heat. In the same caldero, I'm gonna go ahead now and cook my shrimp. So I am gonna saute the shrimp for 30 seconds on each side. We don't want to overcook the shrimp. We're gonna do it for 30 seconds on each side, and then we're gonna remove it from the heat so it's not overcooked. So right now the shrimp is about halfway cooked. It's not cooked at all. It's not ready to eat. Do not try one. Do not taste one. So about after a minute, you're gonna go ahead and remove the shrimp from the heat, and then we're gonna go ahead and add the chicken back and our sausage. I am using andouille sausage. You can use Italian sausage if you want, but if I'm making Cajun pasta, what better sausage to use besides andouille sausage? So we're gonna fry this for about a minute or two. You see it's sticking to the bottom of the pan. So I added a little bit of olive oil, a little extra because I felt like it wasn't enough, because like I said, extra fat is always good. Anyways, but feel free to skip that, but I just wanted to add the oil. So I am using these vegetables: red bell pepper, orange bell pepper, onion, and green bell pepper. So I'm adding the red bell peppers and the onion. And we're not gonna cook it for too long. We're gonna cook it for 2 minutes because we don't want it to be overcooked. We don't want it to be too mushy that you won't even see it in the dish. So now I'm going to add my seasoning mixture. So I will leave all the ingredients in the description box. Be sure to check it out and their measurement. So I am also using chicken stock. Feel free to use just water. I am using chicken stock that is low sodium. Make sure to use that. I added 1 cup only, and I am also gonna add 2 cups of water. I am only cooking 2.5 cups of rice. If you want your rice to be, if you don't want it to be mushy, use less liquid. If you like it to be, you know, mushy kind of rice, use more water. Then you would add two extra cups of water, but I don't like it to be like that. I'm Haitian, so you know, my rice gotta be grainy. So yeah, that's why I added only 3 cups of liquids. So be sure to rinse your rice. Once your water is boiled, go ahead and add the rice to the pot, whatever that is called. You see, when the rice is sitting on the top like that, is above the water, it tells you it's going to be perfect. So after you've added your rice, give it a quick stir and make sure your heat is on low at this time, on medium low. And we're gonna let the liquid reduce. Once the liquid is reduced, we're gonna go ahead and add butter. Adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. It's your preference. I like extra butter in my food. So I added 3 tablespoons of water. I'm sorry, 3 tablespoons of butter. Okay. At this time, I am also going to add some fresh thyme. If you have not, please be sure to hit the subscribe button, because this is like the 3rd time you've been on my channel. Might as well, you know, subscribe, because you've been here like a lot already. So be part of the family, okay? Anyway, so I'm using fresh thyme. Feel free to use dry thyme. So this is about 5 sprigs of thyme. That equals to about half of a teaspoon if you were to measure it, honestly. But yeah, subscribe for more. I mean, subscribe, you're cool. That makes you cooler if you do subscribe to my channel, just so you know. And we are also going to add the shrimp. The rice is almost done. We're just gonna steam it for a little bit, so it's almost done. So after you add the shrimp, we're gonna cover it and lower your heat to low on number 3 on the stove, or number 4, depending on the kind of pots you're using, the pan or skillet. And then cover it and let it steam for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. And be sure to hit the notification bell. This is the final product, you guys. It's super delicious. Be advised, it's a little spicy. If you like spicy, you're going to love this. It's a little bit spicy because of the andouille sausage and the paprika. Give it a little kick. Okay, so I made this and my friends loved it from work. And let me tell you guys, that rice was the best rice ever. So I really hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you're tired of eating rice and beans, this is a really good thing to try. This is a very good recipe. I hope you give it a try, and be sure to share this recipe with a friend or a foe. Kidding. And as always, thank you for watching. And also, if you liked that video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.